Today's adventure includes a trail I marked in Ashland North property of famous Redden, and Steve and his son decided to come out, give their shot at trail breaking it, and help me cut it and break it in. So sit back, enjoy, and can you front dig down? Can you front dig?
No, I'm up against the rock here real
hard. There you go. Yeah. You have a big rock right in your front dip. Right there. Yep. Go a little bit driver.
I got a huge rock right here, like huge.
Then come my way a little bit. Trying to break this trail after a bad rainstorm. As you can tell, it is really slippery out. There isn't a lot of traction. Yeah. I'm gonna try not to die as I climb down here. My shoes are wet and these rocks are really slippery right now. And also we have moss. Nature's carpet. We decided to name this trail Silent Hill after the famous town that's located fairly close to this, which is Centralia. So this trail now, I do have GPS coordinates for all the trails we cut. You can DM me or comment below and I can give you the coordinates to these trails. As you can see, it was a really wet day. This trail is a short trail up this ravine. You turn around and come back down. I was trying to hammer it out of there because we've been having a bad ground hornet infestation here in Pennsylvania. All of our trails seem like they have a bunch of ground hornets, and they are really nasty, and I did not want to get stung by them again, so I was trying to get out of there as quickly as possible instead of just crawling my way out. Give it a bump from there. Bump it. There you go. The way I said? The way I said?
Maybe.
Shoot it from there once. Stop. Yo. Shoot it from there once. Shoot it.
Nothing in the way? Straight up?
Yep, and then turn. There you go. Whoa! Shut it off.
Over higher.
So the first time around that didn't work, so I had to drive up this. My winch stopped working. I don't know, I have an electrical issue. Both my winches are dead, so I think I might have blown a fuse, but we don't have time for that. So I just drove up this big rock pile, and hopefully now it will winch back over the factory 55 pulley. This was a very interesting recovery. My buggy weighs a lot less than Steve's does, and there was no trees to go to, So we ended up having to use the Factor 55 winch pulley and go off of my wheel down low to get him rolled back over. No damage was done. So we got the link back together thanks to Steve and his son over there. I guess I didn't have it in far enough when I put the front end back together and pulled the threads out, but I'll be making a call to Brandick and getting some new links made, and we're gonna winch up out of here just so I don't put any more stress on the front end. We're gonna get back to exploring. So it's been a hell of a day already, and we'll see what else we'll get into. So after a long day of exploring broken parts and recoveries, we decided to go get something to eat at my favorite restaurant nearby called Danny's. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We are growing every day, so make sure you share the videos, and we'll see you on the trail.